In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. Okay, let's get started without wasting so much time. Open the Instagram application, then click on the plus sign here. We'll just make a random Instagram post to archive it later. Okay, let's just click this post here, then click next, then click next, then share the post. Okay, now in order to archive the post, click on the three dots here at the top, then click on archive. We've successfully archived the post. Okay, let us now unarchive it. Click on your profile picture, then click on the hamburger sign. The hamburger sign are the three bars at the top. Then locate archive. Then select the post that you want to unarchive. Then click on the three dots. Then click show on profile. Then click show on profile and confirm it. By doing this, you'll be able to restore the photo and unarchive it. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.